almost black, but it's brown. Big blob. I don't like this. If you don't like something, you can just put your finger in it and try to save it. And a little more this metallic. So let's try again. And hope for nice result. With pouring, you never know. It will be a winner or failure. I don't know how to pronounce that. It's a bit windy too, but kind of like it. I just want to fix this and this. I like it better than before. Do you think? So now I will torch it and then I will show you all the results close up. Wow, I like this. What's on the table? I will show you. It's gorgeous, isn't it? But you can't see a shimmer. But still, it's still gorgeous. I hope you will see. Yes, I can catch this shimmer on this camera. This is the last one. We dip it again. This is this one. This is the second one. I don't like this blob of yellow, but kind of, I don't know, maybe I will dip it again. But overall I kind of like it. And the windy one, can you see the shimmer? I hope you do. I like this one very much. Wow. Maybe I just want to dip this one again, but yes, let's do it. But I don't know exactly. I just don't know. Sometimes I can decide, but I just love those. I don't know, I will leave it. So, someone I can show you This is my supervisor. Inti, 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 Inti. Hey, yeah, say hello. Are you mad? She just want to be near me all the time. Sometimes she is a little he. It's he, but I call her she all the time. I can't. I can now. I can now because I have paints on my. So this is first talking video, and I hope I will do it again. Bye.